Hello everyone, how are you all children? Children, in my today's video, I am going to talk about how to set the margins of the Word document in MS Word and how to set the page orientation and paper size children. So let us see how we have to do all these things in MS Word. Children, now we are going to learn how to set the margins. Children, margins refer to the amount of blank spaces between the edge of the page and the document. So this is the edge of the page, children, and this is your document. From here the document is starting. So this empty space where there is no text written is called the margin. So we have margins on the four sides, children, of the document, like on the top, on the left side, on the right side, and at the bottom of the page. Fine. So the default margins are set at 1 inch from the top, 1 inch from the bottom, and as well as 1 inch from right and left edge of the page. So now children, let us see how to use the page layout tab to set these margins. So first of all children, we have to go to the page layout. This is the page layout. Fine. From here, let us select this. Fine. So you can see this tab is open now. Now children, you have to click on the margin option in the page setup group. So this is the margin option in page setup group, children. When you click on this margin, a drop down list of options appears. Fine, you can see this margin here. It is written normal, narrow, moderate, wide, office 2003 default, etc. So children, by default the margin is normal option. Okay, select any predefined margin from here, or you can customize your margin option. Customize means you can choose the margins of your own, means set margins of your own, means from on top you can set say 2 centimeter or like this. So you can set on your own. Children, when I click on this custom margin, you can see a dialog box appears. Here we have the margin dialog box directly, and from here I can customize. So you can see these arrows, up arrow and down arrow, children. From here also you can increase or decrease the margins. Fine. And from here directly also you can write it from the keyboard. So for every option you have both the arrows, up arrow and down arrow. Fine. So let me make it 3 centimeter everywhere and say OK. So you can see the difference, children. First it was 2.75 centimeter previously, now it is 3 centimeter, children. So you can see the difference that margin shows to us. This is the custom margin I have done. Fine. Now children, let us see how to set the page orientation. The page orientation property sets the printing direction of the text, children. The default orientation of the page is set to portrait, in which children the document is printed lengthwise. So you can see my page, it is lengthwise now. Okay. When we choose landscape orientation, children, the document is printed widthwise like this. Fine. So let us see how we can change the page paper orientation or the page orientation. So first of all, we have to go to the layout option, children. This is layout option. Here on the page setup, children, page setup group, you have orientation button. So when you click here on the orientation button, you have two options, children, portrait and landscape. I told you by default the page is in portrait form. So this is portrait. Let us do the landscape. Fine. So you can see the difference, children. Now the page has become come in the landscape form. So like this, you can use the orientation to change the page, children, for printing options. Fine. Children, now we are going to learn how to set the paper size. Okay. In Microsoft Word, you can work with different sizes of paper through the available selections depend on the type of printer you use. So let us see how you can set the paper size. Children, for that we have to go to the page layout. So this is the page layout tab here. Okay, when you click on it, fine, let's click on it. So now in a page setup group, children, you have size button. Okay, when you click on the size button, children, a list of paper size option appears. The current paper size is highlighted in the drop down list. So you can see that this size is highlighted. It means I am using currently this type of size. So from here you can, children, select the any desired page size option. So we have letter, we have legal, we have executive, A4, A5, and then custom page size. So children, from here I can choose any of the page size or click on custom page size option in the size button drop down list to give your desired page size. So like you don't know what size of the paper you are having on which you are going to print this document. So what you have to do is, children, you have to first you can take a ruler and then you can measure the size from both the sides, like lengthwise and widthwise. So from here, when you open this, a dialog box will appear asking you the size of the page. Okay, so if you want your size of the width is paper is to be like 15 centimeter and height you want it to be 32 centimeter, 33 centimeter, and then you can say OK. So children, you see the size of the page changes. Fine, like this. Let me show you. So the size of the page changes. So like this, you can choose your own preference to give the size of the page. Okay.
Children, I hope you enjoyed this video. For many more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Observe and explore, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming videos, children. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.